Hi, this is a video on how to top up your pressure on the Worcester Bosch using the keyless filling link if you have one fitted. How you know you've got the keyless filling link is when you look underneath your boiler, you can see the blue lever. All you need to do is very simple, is just pull the lever down and you'll hear the water going into the system. We've had this system emptied, so it'll take a while to fill up, but on a normal system, if you're just topping it up, you just keep an eye on the pressure gauge and set it between 1–1.5, really depending how many radiators and the pipe work on your system. And just let it go, and it returns to its original position. Cheers for listening.